Hey, this is Joey at Best Trailers. I'm going to show you trailer wiring for dummies, give you a little bit of extra tips on how to wire up your trailer. This one's just a simple utility trailer, but we get a lot of questions on which wires go to which. Now, you can get wire harnesses in a couple of different styles. This one is a standard 4-wire. Most all of them have got 4 pins or... Hey, you got the wrong end on here. We'll get that changed out later. All right, now as for the colors, the white will be your ground wire. The yellow and the green, the simple way to remember that is the yellow has an L in it, so that goes to your left side of your trailer. That's your left turn signal, left brake light. Green has an R in it, and that's your right side of the trailer. Right turn signal, right brake light. That just leaves the brown, which is your running lights. Some wire harnesses will have a split brown and green, split brown and yellow. That's so that you can run the wires down either side of both sides of the trailer instead of having to run the wires down one and swap over to the other. Typically, there's a couple different ways to do it, but I like to go ahead and screw in my ground right here up front. That way, while I'm pulling wire, I don't accidentally pull too much to the back. Then you can run the wires in multiple different ways. Every trailer's manufacturer is different on how they run their wires. And you attach them to the lights. All the lights are different on how you attach them to the lights. Some of them you just strip the wire back, push it into the lights. Some of them have wires in them, and you use butt connectors, Scotch locks, however you want to connect them. As long as it's not twisting them and putting duct tape on them, it usually works. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 478-654-5350.